All right, I'm going to go ahead and get started. We are going to be finding the surface area, and I'm going to just focus on rectangular prisms for now. Now I'm going to look at triangular prisms just to give you a preview. Remember our math charts for today's lesson especially, we are going to be using these two formulas. Remember, total includes everything, so this is all encompassing. One of the things that we have to be remembering is that this is going to be our area of the base. So when we look at the area of the base, in this case, of course, our base is going to be a different shape altogether. So our area of the base in this case is going to be a triangle, right? So this is the area of a triangle. So to get us started, our formula for lateral surface area comes directly from our math charts. We are going to use this formula here. So surface area equals perimeter of the base times height. Now, what we need to do first with our 3D figure is we need to shade our base, draw this base. So I'm going to draw a little mini rectangular prism, and this is 16 by 7, and then I'm going to circle the height so that I don't lose track of all of this. The first thing I'm going to do is find my perimeter. Remember, this is adding all of the sides together to find our perimeter of the base. So in order to find our perimeter of the base, I'm going to add 16 plus 16 plus 7 plus 7. So that would give us a perimeter of 46. While the height is what I circled at 8 centimeters. So again, the height comes from here. This is the distance between the two bases, okay? In this case, we would use this formula to help us find our surface area. So surface area equals 46 times 8. So in this case, again, 46 times 8 would be 368 centimeters squared. So as a recap, our lateral surface area is basically all of these green pieces here. So all of this would be the lateral surface area. So I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's the distance around if we were to open it up without the two bases. Okay. So with that being said, let's go ahead and find our total surface area. So I'm going to shift here. Our formula for total surface area includes the perimeter of the base times height part. So that's the lateral plus 2 times area of the base. So the next piece we need is area of our base. So if our base is 16 by 7, to find our area of the base, we would multiply 16 times 7. So 16 times 7 is 112. So for our solution, or for our formula, I'm going to plug all these values back in. So we have 46 times 8 plus 2 times 112. Once I put all of that into Desmos, so 46 times 8 is the 368 plus 2 times 112. This is 592 centimeters squared. So this is total, and this is lateral, okay? So those are two different things that we're looking at. So back to that same process. I am going to shade the base, which has to be a triangle in this case. I am going to draw that base, and I am just going to draw the little mini version here. I know this is 5 by 3 here. I see that this is 4 because it matches there. So this would be a 4 and this would be a 4. So just to kind of give us that visual we need. Now, formula, surface area, perimeter of the base times height. It's the same formula, but our perimeter of the base, because it's a triangle, we add 5 plus 4 plus 4. So this is our perimeter. our perimeter of the base. So in this case, 5 plus 4, or 4 plus 4 is 8, plus another 5 is 13. Well, the height is circled here at 12, okay? So when I substitute these values in, I would have 13 times 12. Let me write that a little bit smaller. So surface area equals 13 times 12. So our lateral surface area would be 13 times 12, which would be 156 centimeters squared. Now on to the next piece, which is our formula for total surface areas, perimeter of the base times height plus 2 times area of the base. Now our base is 1/2 base times height, which would be 1/2. The base is 5 and the height is 3. So then our area of the base would be 7.5, I believe. So 15 divided by 2 would be 7.5 for our area of the base. So when I go to plug in all these values, I would have surface area equals 13 times 12 plus 2 times 7.5. So then 13 times 12 is 156 plus 7.5 times 2. So our total surface area would be 171 centimeters squared.